Don't let a blunt knife get you in strife. The world's best knife sharpener just got better. Today when you buy one Kleva Sharp Pro, you get a second one absolutely free. Stop struggling with the blunt knife in your drawer when it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Get the professional MasterChef edge every single time. I've got one of Grandma's best butter knives made from the best quality Sheffield steel. You can see it's blunt. Now, unlike sharpening the old way, we're sharpening both sides at the same time. That unique honing plate gives you one of the best paring knives you'll ever use. Sharp enough to cut through carrot, apple, red meat, chicken, cheese, tomato and more. The secret is the metal body's unique V sharpening edge and that exclusive patented design with unique honing plate to remove microscopic ridges for an edge that could be sharper than when you first bought it. The suction cup base fastens to most smooth surfaces, so your hands never go near the blade. Sharpen serrated edge bread knives. Forget the old-fashioned sharpening tools and professionals that can cost you a fortune. From the ultimate $500 set of MasterChef's knives to any knife at home, beware of imitations. Look for this genuine Kleva quality registered seal and you'll know it's real. Call 029 387 4100 or get to Kleva